Hello and welcome. Welcome back mga kapatid. Ang reading na ito is a first impression ng mga taong nasa paligid mo when they first met you, nung una ka nilang makilala. And kamusta kayong lahat dito? I do hope everybody are doing well. And thank you sa mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Start of Taro. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta dito at palagi ang nakikinig, no? Maraming salamat mga kapatid sa paglagay ng oras dito. And yes, alamin na natin, Spirit Angels, kamusta ang ating mga collectives, mga taong una nilang makilala. How these people sees our collective or first impression sa mga tao sa kanilang paligid. First impression. Okay, we have here library. Take control of your own narrative. So, meron dito parang controlling. You could be, guys, just take what is yours here. Paalala mga kapatid, this is collective reading, timeless, and hindi po ito private reading. Minsan po, nagkakapalit-palit yung energy. This could be you or the people, no? O sa sitwasyon dito. So, kunin niyo mga kapatid, huwag niyo pong lahatin at wag lang po tayong bitter. Yes, first impression, like again, we have here number 34 and 22. Sa library, you could be a book lover and mahilig magbasa, knowledgeable, matalino, and siguro controlling. Their first impression, wow, si collective, matalino. Wow, si collective, maganda yung legs. Mahaba ang buhok. I'm getting like a tree of, anong tawag nito? Fire sign. Three of Wands. Yes. I'm getting here, or the star. Yeah. I'm getting like, people sees you amusing. A dancer. Siguro dancer ka. Or entertainer. You entertain people. Or like, madali mo silang madistract. Hindi sila naboboard sa iyo. Like again, first impression ng mga tao sa paligid mo, friends, yung first nilang nakilala ka, ito ha, wow, si collective, book lover. Ano pala siya, dancer. Funny. Wow, nakakatuwa siya. Wow, mas nakakainggan niyo pala tong taong ito. I can't believe na ganito pala siya. Si collective type na chubby, no? May sexy pa rin. Or something na sa katawan mo kapatid, na yung paggalaw mo, para pang sex bomb. Kahit na may nagkakaedad dito, mahilig pa rin sumayaw, like again, you're like an entertainer. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo, when they first met you, yung una nilang impression sa iyo is nakakatuwa ka. Nakakatuwa pala si collective. Entertaining, no? And I'm getting like mahilig magbasa, mahilig magsasayaw. Meron naman dito controlling. Maybe you are kind of person na kinokontrol mo yung tao or kinokorek mo dahil feeling mo ikaw ang tama. So that's their first impression, or this sees you that way. Yan ang nakikita nila sa iyo. Alright? May naman dito, voyage. You already have all the answers. So, first impression, when it comes to look, maybe napapansin nila yung, you might be using like a dark makeup, like darker lipstick, and meron ito parang nagugustuhan nila yung kamay mo, yung nails mo. Yes, may magandang daliri. Meron naman dito na napapansin nila na si collective parang laging ang daming adventure ni collective. Si collective parang laging organized. Those are the reason na mas na-impress sila sa iyo kasi lagi kang organized. Ikaw, para kasi Dora the Explorer, laging handa. Yung iba dito parang laging may dalang backpack. Kahit wala akong nakikitang backpack dito, but I see Dora the Explorer. Laging gala, nag-travel, or para bang Girl Scout kako, no, mga kapatid, na laging handa. Laging may mga plano, organized. You are a type of person na a leader type. Like again, sa pagiging leader type mo, you have becoming more controlling. So guys, again, I know you think that you are correct, tama ka. I think it's best to be like, give and take. Pakinggan din po natin mga kapatid, yung ibang sasabihin ng kapwa natin, yung mga ideas nila. Dahil alam nila naman na matalino ka, maganda yung hangarin mo, kaya lang minsan may mga pangyayari din na hindi natin alam na sumusobra na para tayo. Alright? Paalala lang ito ni universe para sa inyo. So, again, I know you guys are knowledgeable, matalino, truthful, and you have so many plans. I think you need to listen to others too. Pakinggan mo rin yung kanilang sasabihin, hindi lang yung sarili mo. Hindi lang yung mga plano mo. I know you are smart, but I think it's best to listen to their side as well. Alright? And then yung iba dito, mahilig ka siguro sa mga fish. Siguro may fish tank ka. I'm hearing like fish tank. Yes, oh my God. Again, fish. Or baka mahilig ka sa kumain ng mga isda. Fish lover ka siguro. Meron tong antukin. Yes. And morning, the world awaits you. Yeah. And you're like again, guys, you give shine. You bright the people's day. Ginigising mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Like again, you are like a entertainer. Na-entertain ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Ang ganda ng impact mo sa kanila. Funny, a dancer, singer, smart, no, matalino, marami kang mga idea, and yeah, medyo may katarayan ang iyong mukha, but unexpectedly, mabait ka naman pala. Unexpectedly na matalino ka pala. I think, sabihin natin na, again guys, hindi ka boring kasama. Hindi naboboard ang mga tao sa paligid mo. You are amusing. Na-amuse mo sila, and natutuwa silang kasama ka. Alright? Yung iba naman dito, napaka-seryoso. Napansin ng mga tao na, ganito pala si Collective. Seryoso pala siya. Akala ko ganito, ganyan. Parang unexpected sa kanila na, sabihin natin, maingay ka, but then later on, biglang naging seryoso ka na. Lalong-lalo na guys, when it comes to plan, you take it seriously. Whatever's decision, no? Kung may mga dapat na gagawing desisyon, you take it seriously. Hindi mo hinayaan yung mga joke or something na pinag-uusapan, you take it seriously. Madali kang nagagalit din. And that's how people sees you, and their first impression about you is, you look so serious. But then deep down, or later on, pagka the more kinakausap ka nila, funny ka pala, masayahin ka pala. It's just that, seryoso ka lang talaga sa mga ginagawa mo. Yeah, especially when it comes making plan, no? Pagka-travel or may mga plano na gagawin, no? Yeah, you take it seriously kung may mga gagawin, mga importanteng bagay. Everything for you is important, yung iba dito. Yeah, meron dito na you swim like a fish. Para kang isda kung lumalangoy. Magaling ka siguro lumangoy, or siguro nakatira ka malapit sa dagat. Or maybe, I don't know, something about like a mermaid. Yung iba dito, siguro nagsabi ka or may binanggit ka sa mga tao na nakakita ka ng mermaid, or para bang, it's like pagka nag-start ka ng magsasalita, lalo na sa mga story, no, you take it seriously. Yung mga story. Or maybe you are like a storyteller, no? And like again, nakukuha mo yung atensyon ng mga taong ito. Whatever you say, whatever you talk about, a story, nahuhook ang mga tao sa'yo. Nakikinig sila. Lalong-lalo na, this is very specific, maybe you told somebody na, nung bata pa ako, or something about like a mermaid, oo, totoo yung mermaid, nakita ko na yan. And you take it seriously, kaya lang yung iba dito, hindi siguro maniniwala sa'yo, ano? Dahil hindi din nila nakikita. Parang haka-haka lang kasi, ba't ikaw? I think because you just believe it, dahil nakikita mo ito. Dahil walang nakikinig sa'yo, lalo ka lang nagagalit. Dahil hindi ka lang maintindihan. Or like again, you just speak the truth, or sinasabi mo lang totoo. Like again, you take it seriously. Kung ano yung alam mo. Minsan naiinis ka na lang dahil Alam mo ang pinagsasabi mo, alam mo yung ginagawa mo, but some people around you are not taking you seriously or hindi sila naniniwala or they're not following you. And that's why people think that you are controlling. Kinokontrol mo sila or they want to listen to you. And I think you just think na para sa iyo, sa side mo, I think na tama ka. Parang ganun ba? Dahil ganyan, yung iba naman, nami-misunderstood ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And then, that's how they sees you. They think that you are controlling. And again, you take this seriously. Whatever plan or a story, you take it seriously. Yeah, yung iba dito, unexpected na seryoso ka pala. Akala nila is a joker ka, parang happy-go-lucky ka lang, walang pakialam sa mundo. Yun pala, when they talk more about you, or when they talk to you, magugulat sila na, ay, seryoso pala to si Collective. Ganito pala siya. Yung iba naman, unexpectedly, sa pagiging tahimik, jolly ka pala kausap, palatawa. Mahilig ka siguro magsayaw. Like again, they find you so amusing. They don't get bored. Yeah, you are so funny. Yung iba naman, antukin. And they admire your beauty. Yung iba dito, kahit na mataba ka, tumataba ka na, or mataba, or whatever shape ng katawan mo, they still find you beautiful. Especially like you brought happiness, joy. Yung iba dito, psychically or intuitive, napaka-intuitive mo. Maybe yung iba dito, very specific, nanonood dito, you could be psychic, healer, or tarot reader, or spiritually evolved. Yes, lalong-lalo na sa gabi, you might be getting more knowledge or signs. Yeah, yung iba dito sa inyo, you love talking, may nakakapansin dito na you love talking about travel. Yes, and siguro pagka, like again, nagugulat na lang sila na, ay, mas pala si Collective, knowledgeable pala pagdating sa mga ganito. Like sabihin natin na, uy, saan ba pag magtatanong ng direction, ikaw agad ang naiisip nila. Tanungin mo si Collective, may alam yun. Yes, when it comes to directions, advice, a lot of people think about you, asking your help, guidance. Yes, you guys are very knowledgeable and spiritually evolved. Yeah. Okay. So ano pa? First impression. What else? Ano pang sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid mo? How people or what people says about our collective? Ano masabi ng mga tao ito? Mga friends nila, katrabaho, sa ating mga collective. Ano masabi ng mga tao ito sa ating mga collective? Si Collective parang si Dora the Explorer. That's their first expression or impression. Wow. Okay. The High Priestess and the Wheel of Fortune. The Major Arcana. You're like a high goddess. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. First impression, wow. Ganito pala si Collective. Nababago mo ang mga tao sa paligid mo. You change these people. You are knowledgeable, spiritually evolved, napaka-matured, happy, masayahin, knowledgeable, high spirit. Yes, ibang-iba ka. You are different than the others. Magugulat ang mga tao sa'yo. Walang negatibo, no? Or siguro iba bitter lang, no? Para lang magsabing hindi maganda. Dahil nga sinasabi itong controlling. The only thing na sinasabi lang nila na controlling ka dahil you are the high priestess. You are knowledgeable, spiritually. You are just following your gut feeling or you are just following your intuition. Intuitive ka or matalino ka talaga. Yes. And that's why mga tao sa paligid mo hindi against sa iyong paniniwala. But you know your ground. You know where to stand. Matalino ka. You're like a high goddess. You change a lot of people. Yeah, marami ka na bagong tao, mga kapatid. Yung perspective nila na bago dahil sa'yo. Marami silang natutunan sa iyo. Yes. That's it. Ang mga tao sa paligid mo, they are so lucky to have you. Because whoever you meet, you help them. You change the pattern, you evolve them, natulungan sila magbago. Yes. Spiritually, emotionally, marami kang mga taong natutulungan. You can be able to control the others. Control in a good way, na whatever advice. Okay? You are good, mga kapatid. Share your knowledge. Help people, help the others na maging masaya. Give direction. Like again, malaking tulong ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And the wheel of fortune is like you are the teacher. Okay? Ikaw yung nagiging mentor nila. Yeah. That's a good positive message for you, mga kapatid. Yeah, malaki ang respeto ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Alright? So, advice na tayo from your angel, spirit guide angels, bago mag-end yung reading natin. I do hope satisfied kayo, mga kapatid, sa reading na ito. One last thing pa. So, one more. Spirit guide angels. Ano pa masasabi ng mga tao sa ating mga collective? Friendship. Okay, co-workers. Or in general, mga tao sa paligid nila. Ano masasabi sa ating mga collective? Alright. We have here, hard-headed. Matigas ang ulo. Nahirapan silang kontrolin ka or mapaniwala ka sa kanila. Because like again guys, you are a high priestess. You know what you're doing and you know what's best thing to do. And you are just following your gut feeling. Like again, you are smart. Matalino ka. Like again, meron tayo kanina na parang lagi natutulog, So yes, napapansin ng mga taong ito, lagi nakakulong si collective. Parang bihira ka lang yata nakikita. O siguro nakikita ka lang sa gabi. Yeah. Nagpapautang. Making loan. Like again guys, pagka you give direction, like again, malaki ang ambag mo sa mga tao sa paligid mo. You help these people financially, emotionally, mentally, financially. Yeah. Playing poker. Loves to gambling, addiction, taong nagsusugal. So yes, guys, may iba siguro dito, lumalabas lang para magsugal. And yeah. I'm sorry guys, hindi to para sa lahat, para to sa specifically, sa tao na ito yung na ikaw ito or somehow na related ito sa iyo. Kung hindi to para sa iyo or hindi mo feel or resonate ito na babanggit ko, hindi para po yun sa iba nating kapatid dito. Huwag po tayong bitter mga kapatid, huwag niyo pong lahatin. Alright? Makinis ang balat. So yes, people are admiring your skin. The skin color. Tingnan mo naman yung legs pa lang, ulam na. Parang isda. I'm sorry guys ha. For some reason, parang isda. Mahilig siguro sa isda. Mahilig ka siguro sa isda, kaya gumaganda yung balat mo. I don't know. Okay. Boss, business mindset. Like again guys, you're like a pro, like a boss, a manager. Yes, you can control the others. You're like you are in control, the wheel. You are always in control. Because you know what's best. I mean, what's best thing to do. And you're knowledgeable, so mas alam ka, matalino ka. And that's why, most of the, funny. In the bottom here is funny, matalino. And dahil sa marami kang alam, yes, and you're just following, sinusunod mo lang mga kapatid kung ano yung totoo or kung alam mo kung ano yung para sa'yo ay tama. You always follow yourself. You always listen to yourself. That's why people here, they believe in you. Kaya lang, may mga tao din talaga na bitter lang. Feeling nila na controlling ka. Like again, nagiging controlling ka lang naman dahil sa tingin mo is tama ka. You always believe in yourself because you are knowledgeable. Marami kang alam. And you are following your gut feeling, your instinct, your intuition, psychically, mentally, emotionally, and physically here. And yung iba sa inyo dito, funny. Whenever they sees you, first things first, wow, nakakatuwa pala kasama si collective. happy-go-lucky. But then again, at the back, no? Meron palang ibang side din si collective sa pagiging masiyahin, matalino, napakaseryoso din ni collective. When it comes to this direction, any direction, advice, information, yes, you take it seriously. Yeah, kasi ayaw mo naman magbigay ng advice na mali-mali ka pala. Or knowledge. Or kung may mga tinuturuan kang kapwa, you take it seriously. And that's good, no? So, advice na tayo mga kapatid sa ating mga collective. Advice. Okay. So, final advice. Okay. Dietary change. Improve your diet and your life will also improve. Mga kapatid, like again, baka hindi mo na napapansin, no? Kailangan mo siguro ng yoga, exercise, Zumba. It's time to take actions when it comes to your diet. Dahan-dahan lang mga kapatid. Yung iba dito, hindi mo na napapansin, no? Na nag-gain weight ka na pala and hindi pala ito maganda sa iyong kalusugan. So, take precaution, no? Sa mga kinakain natin at ingat-ingat po sa mga sweets and sa overeating, no? And do more movements. Mag-zumba ka, magsayaw ka, or magpapawis ka, mag-elliptical, mag-exercise, yes. So, watch out. Yeah, kasi meron itong nag-gain weight and hindi na pala maganda sa iyong kalusugan ito. Daughter. The answer to your question involve your daughter. So, whatever it is, guys, kung ano yung mga tinatanong mo lately or nagbabother sa iyong isipan, I don't know, maybe you need to reach out with your daughter. Baka yung anak mo, kung ikaw na may anak, baka may mas magandang advice para sa iyo or maybe yung anak mo ay magbibigay din ng saya sa iyo. No? So, para ma-distract ka rin. Baka lately masyado ka ng seryoso. Yeah, or maybe you should hang out more with your kid, sa iyong anak, yung iba dito. Okay, yung iba naman, maybe like again, maybe you might be able to get an idea from your daughter, sa anak mo, either a daughter or a son, no? Maybe may anak ka dito na magbibigay ng sagot sa iyong mga katanungan. Whatever question na involved dito, yes, ikaw lang nakakaalam, and yeah, so you might be getting an answer from your kid. Alright, so I love you guys. Or kung wala ka namang anak, maybe sa iyong mga pamangking babae, very specific here. Yeah, so yeah, or bata, no? Somehow may bata dito. Hindi naman, alam mo, yung knowledge kasi mga kapatid, hindi lang yan sa edad. Kahit may bata nga dyan, bata pa, marami nang alam. And we can take that, that lesson to learn. May mga bagay din tayo na matutunan kahit sa murang edad lang na nagbibigay advice sa atin or sa inyo. You know what I mean? So, like again guys, maturity is not about the age. Alright? So, yeah. And wag po tayong bitter. Kasi may mga tao ngayon na napaka-bitter dahil mas nakakatanda ka, feeling mo ikaw ang tama. It's not about the age. It's not about dahil mas nakakatanda ka. Give and take. And kailangan i-minimize, no? And do some research. Then later, ma-realize mo, tama pala siya. Mali pala ako. Minsan, wala namang mali mga kapatid kung tanggapin din natin ang pagkakamali natin. Alright? So, embrace our mistakes. And walang mawawala kung mag-sorry din sa mga taong nasaktan natin. Alright? Or argument. Yeah, so, wala namang perfecto sa mundong ito mga kapatid. So, tanggapin natin na hindi tayo perfecto. Alright, so I love you guys. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. And I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye and thank you.